Hello everybody, my name is Del C. Arnold. I'm the CEO and founder of Asfaleia Designs, and today we're going to be reviewing our Tote Handbag. So our Tote Handbag is pretty special. It is a ballistic armor, aka bulletproof bag, and it does have the magnetic retention CCW pocket, first in the industry, and also probably one of the fastest bags to get your weapon out of with ease. So of course you guys know about the adrenaline rush, the blood goes back to your core, and you basically lose feelings in your fingers, so it's very difficult to fumble around with the zipper pulls that everybody has. Typically the CCW bags in this industry, they have the two zippers on the side. Very hard to get inside when your adrenaline is rushing. So Asfaleia Designs has solved that problem. It's very quick to get into our bags and you won't have any problems. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want you to know is that this was designed in Italy by some Italian designers. They did a very good job. We have 5 different colors. We have some really beautiful custom design hardware here. We got a nice charm, Asfaleia logo, and some custom anchors as well as shoulder straps. The shoulder strap is adjustable, and it does have the strap or the cable inside, so it is slash proof. Nobody won't be able to rob that from you. And then let's go ahead and take a look on the back side here. You can kind of get an idea of the design of the bag. It's a very high quality design. Now on the inside, we have what we call our closure. And I'm going to bring the bag up like this so you can kind of see how it works. So this is our magnetic retention CCW closure, because it's on the main entrance of a pocket. It basically takes place of a zipper, so you don't have to worry about that. You can just kind of pull it apart. It opens up very quickly, and then that way it gives you access to the inside of the bag where your CCW pocket is, which is right here. And you can see that right there. It's a magnetic retention that holds that pistol in place. And with a little bit of practice, you can get very quick at getting your weapon out of the bag. So that kind of solves a problem that was in the industry for quite some time. And it just kind of closes up very, very nicely, just like that. So also too, I want you to notice that when you're inside the bag, if you have your pocket closed right here, you cannot tell that there's a pistol inside of it, right? Because the magnetic retention pocket kind of holds it in place, and there's some pockets on the outside, so it just looks like a regular bag. And that was basically how we designed this whole bag to be. We didn't want anybody to know that there is a ballistic armor panel inside, and we didn't want nobody to know that there was a pistol inside as well, because it can bring exaggerated attacks from criminals, and we didn't want that. So so let's go ahead and look at the ballistic armor plate that's inside here. We have a special pocket that we designed specifically for that. That's a military grade tactical Velcro, and it basically just holds in that plate. Now this is a soft armor plate right here. It's a level 3, so it does stop pistols and shotguns. We do offer the hard plates as well. They are going to be strike proof and stab proof and bulletproof. And then we also have another threat level that's a level 3 that will stop AKs and AR-15s and 308s, and that pocket will hold that plate as well. It's going to make the purse a little bit heavier for you, but if you're going out to public and you want that extra protection, it's going to be well worth it if something that ever does happen, right? So this panel just basically goes right inside like that. This pocket holds it in place nice and snug. So essentially what happens is you can use this bag as a shield to block your vital parts in case there's ever an active shooter scenario. So also inside the pocket you have your cell phone pocket right there as well, with a nice snap on it, and then the keychain as well, custom lining with the Asfaleia logo on it. So overall, very nice handbag, very high quality designs. We didn't spare any expense in making this particular bag right here. And so there's 5 different colors. You can check it out more online at www.asfaleia.com, and that's ASFALEIA designs.com. That Asfaleia word is Greek for safety. Please check us out as well. Like and share us on Facebook. And then sign up for a monthly newsletter. We have special discounts for people who want to do that. And so we want to thank you for watching the video today.